Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the real user review of using this Panasonic ER206 men's trimmer for the past 5 years. So this you can consider as the long used trimmer user review. This is the real user review. See here, when this trimmer is being charged, there is a indication light. See here, this small red indication light, and this is the black profile. The main advantage of this trimmer is, or you can say the pro of this trimmer is its durability. The user has been using this for the past 5 years due to its very good quality build, durable build. He has been using this for the past 5 years. And coming to the runtime, it's like after the 5 years it's still like 30 minutes of continuous runtime for a full single charge. And there are adjustments like 12 adjustments. See here, you no need to remove this detachable head, means the height adjustment. Just with this wheel you can rotate, and here the number shown is the centimeters, like 0.2 to 1.8 centimeters. If you just scroll that, you can adjust the adjustment. And let us just check the online availability of this exact model of the trimmer. See here, when I search for the same model number of Panasonic trimmer, right now it is not available on Flipkart and also on Amazon also. See here, in Amazon there is other model. See here, ER307, which is for 2000 rupees, but the exact model when I search I didn't find that. It is saying like currently unavailable. See here, cordless and portable, detachable, and 12 settings, just like the trimmer what I have shown you. This is also comes with 12 settings, height adjustment. And this is the exact trimmer what I am showing you in the video, Panasonic ER206, currently unavailable. And the user purchased this in Dubai, Middle East. So here maybe, yeah, there is no availability. Coming back to the video, see, just we'll try to switch on this, and yeah, by hearing this sound, it is very powerful. The user has expressed his feeling of using this trimmer like this is very efficient, and throughout the years it is working perfectly fine. And for the beard trimming, he is using this height adjustments, which is very good plus. And the detachable height adjustment also comes with very good build, so that it is durable. And the amount, before 5 years he purchased something like in the other country it's something like nearly 2000 rupees only. Yeah, now also these trimmers are coming like not the exact model, like 2000 rupees what I have shown you. See here, Panasonic model ER206, charging 1.2 volts, charging time 8 hours for the full charge, means it takes a bit of long time, so you need to keep it for long time to get charged. And I'll show you the charging port also, and it comes with the adapter, the Panasonic adapter only. I'll show you that adapter also. But the overall experience of using this trimmer for beard trimming and for hairs also, the user has expressed very good positive feedback. And this is the charging port. And coming to this adapter, and this is the adapter, this comes with the package. And yeah, I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching.